What to cook? What to cook? Our cooking for today is spam. Uh, no. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook buffalo balls. Ugh. No. That's yucky. I know what. Chicken feet. Hi guys! Kumusta? How are you? Welcome back to my home cooking channel, Almita's Kitchen. Today, we are going to make a chicken feet adobo. Have you heard anybody cooking chicken feet? Alright guys, so this is our ingredients for today's cooking. We have our chicken feet here. You see, I washed it and I removed the claw, of course, because we don't want to eat the claw. So for some reason they actually cut this in the supermarket like this. It's supposed to be like a whole feet, like longer like that, but they didn't. So that's what it looked like, you see. Hello. And our seasoning, we are making this as chicken feet adobo. So our seasoning is, we have balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, this is peppercorn, and paprika, and we have our bay leaf, and then we have our chicken powder seasoning, and this is brown sugar, and of course crushed garlic, and then this is a spring onion. This is just for using garnish later. So I'm going to show you how to make the chicken feet adobo. First is, we have to boil the chicken feet first. We'll start the fire. In the Philippines, guys, we call these Adidas. You see, feet, you wear your shoes, Adidas. So yeah, that's how we call it. This is very famous. If you go to the Philippines, it's one of our street food. Normally we make these, we actually put this in a skewer and we grill it, but today we are not doing that. We are going to make it chicken feet adobo seasoning. So it's basically tastes like chicken adobo, but it's just feet. If you guys don't like chicken feet, I'm sorry, this show is not for you. So here we go. We put this in a pot. And we are going to boil them first to tenderize it. There's water. You just wanna put it until it cover the chicken, and then I'm gonna add more. Okay, just like that. About probably, this is actually 2 liters in here, so maybe 3. That's what's in there. Depend on how much chicken feet you wanna cook today. And I'm gonna put peppercorn and also salt and pepper. Okay, and we are going to let this simmer for, I would say, 15 minutes, I think it's enough. Yeah, because you're gonna simmer it later when everything is, you know, cooking. All right, guys. So we are going to have a waiting game. All right. Now I think our chicken feet is tender right now, so we can turn the heat off for now, and we can take our chicken feet out from here. And the broth here, guys, don't waste it. You can keep it to make it soup, you know, next time when you wanna make the chicken soup stock. You can use this. All the good stuff is in here. Wow, wowie wowie. Okay, so that is smoking hot. Now we move on to another shiny one. I just bought this today, just for my chicken feet. Okay, let's turn back the heat high. Now we can start cooking our chicken feet adobo. Already, we're using cooking oil as always. A little bit. All right, so I have garlic here, crushed garlic. So basically, the way you're making this is, it's like you're making chicken adobo, but it's just don't have the other part of the chicken. It's just feet, chicken feet. All right, and after the garlic, we will add our chicken feet. Ta-da! Let's dump it in. Stir it. Oh, this thing is hot. Ooh, this gets hot. Stir it. Just mix it, guys. Make sure all the garlic mix in with the chicken feet. Adidas, tiil sa manok. Paa ng manok. So, what we put next is our soy sauce. We have our soy sauce here. Soy sauce. And we have our balsamic vinegar. You can use lemon juice here or any kind of vinegar, but for me, extra fancy, balsamic vinegar. Okay, and then we have our peppercorn. Let's not put all of it. I have my bay leaves, paprika to give some color to the feet, because the chicken feet is very pale. I have a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of chicken powder seasoning, and then brown sugar. Don't forget your brown sugar. Look at the color of this. You see the chicken feet now? It's looking pretty. Alright. Mix it like that. And after this, we let it simmer. Simmer until the chicken feet is tender. And then put the cover. There you go. And we will check it in like 15 minutes and we'll taste it. And we'll add more seasoning if it needs more seasoning. Okay, guys? Let's check our chicken feet, how it's doing. Simmering. Stirring. Oh, smells good. Smells good, guys. If you like chicken feet, this is for you. If you are a picky eater, if this gross you out, run away. Okay, let's try. Taste it. It needs a little more of seasoning. Put a little more of the chicken seasoning powder and more sugar. Soy sauce. That should do it. It's almost ready, but not quite. So we're gonna let it simmer for another 10 minutes. And it should be done. Alrighty. I think our chicken feet adobo is done. Dun dun dun. Oh yeah. Oh yep. Yepper. So there you have it, guys. Mga sanusan na. Ito na ang paan ng manok adobo. Chicken feet adobo. So there you go, guys. This is how you cook your chicken feet adobo. We can turn off the heat and it's done. Here it is. They taste like chicken adobo. It's just feet. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share, and I'm gonna show you another weird stuff next time. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, Mommy's cooking chicken feet. Uh-oh. They're running away. I guess more for me.